Hey, what's up guys? I just want to be able to show you how to use your InteBook promo code, where to be able to apply the promo code. So once you log in, you'll be able to have access to this platform here, and you'll be told that yearly plan is 149.90 and monthly plan is 14.9. So what I'll do is that I'll be able to grab my promo code and be able to put it here, and then you see what happens. Okay, so when you're signing up, here is actually where you put the promo code, this part here. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and be able to grab the promo code. I think in one of the videos that I've done, I've actually included the promo code, so I'll just be able to click on this video. If you don't have a promo code, you can actually be able to look for this video that I put here. So down here under promo code, I think it should be somewhere here. So it's ES480, this code here, ES480. So I just copy that code, then I'll come back to this one here. Okay, I'll come back here, then I'll be able to just paste the code here, ES480, and I'll just click on apply coupon. Alright, and there you go. You see now it has come back to 9.90. So yeah, so you can choose this plan for the year and just go to payments, click on that. I'll be able to add my card order's name, my email address, and card number. You can choose any of my cards, and I'll be able to put this one there, and I'll be able to save, and that will be deducted from my account. So that's it. You want to be able to do monthly, you can be able to click on this and just click on payment. Then to be able to take you that, I've got my cards already paid here. You can be able to add that CVV, and yeah, I'll be good to go. So that's it. Make sure that you include the promo code ES4870. Of course, there are many codes. This is just the code. The other students or maybe the other sellers who have got other codes, but yeah, you can be able to use this. All the codes give you the same amount of discount, and you'll be able to be good to go. So that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Okay, yeah, remember to use the yearly plan, so to just pay once and you forget. So that's it guys. Go to InteBooks, sign up, create an account, and once you create an account, it will be easy to be able to sign up. This comes up, put the promo code ES4870, and you'll be good to go. Cheers.